Welcome to page 14 of your term combining packet. For this lesson, we're going to be subtracting expressions. We will use all that we know about term combining to complete each problem. Let's begin. Starting with number 1. 4x plus 8 minus 3x plus 3. Well, we know we have a bit of work to do before we can subtract. We are going to keep, change, change, and rewrite this expression. We know that the first quantity, 4x plus 8, remains the same. We keep that just as is. But subtraction turns to addition, and each term in the second expression flips to its opposite. The positive 3x becomes negative 3x, and the opposite of plus 3 is minus 3. Each term flips to its opposite. Now that you've rewritten your subtraction problem as an addition problem, it's time to stack and combine. We take 4x plus 8 and stack negative 3x minus 3 underneath. Let's combine. When we bring together our constants, a gain of 8 but a loss of 3, we get a gain of 5. And when we bring together our x terms, we get 1x. Your answer is 1x plus 5. You can also write it this way, simply x plus 5. The 1 is not necessary. Let's move on to another problem. Let's take a look at problem number 5. Here we have 9x minus 8 minus, now put a 1 in front of our x, 1x plus 4. Above the subtraction problem, please write K, C, C. Keep, change, change. We're going to take a moment and rewrite this as addition. The 9x minus 8, of course, stays the same. But this subtraction becomes addition, and then our terms in the second expression flip to their opposite. Our positive 1x becomes a negative 1x, and our gain of 4 becomes a loss of 4. Now we're ready to stack and combine. We have 9x minus 8 and negative 1x minus 4. Go ahead, take a moment and combine these. You should have gotten 8x minus 12. Let's look at another problem together, like number 6. We have 11x minus the quantity 1x minus 8. Please put a 1 in front of that x. We need to keep, change, change, and rewrite this as addition. We have the 11x, which remains the same, but of course subtraction becomes addition, and we flip both terms to their opposites. The positive 1x becomes a negative 1x. The loss of 8 becomes a gain of 8. Now we're ready to stack and combine. 11x, and we're going to fill in with a plus 0 to hold the position of the constant. Underneath, we have a loss of 1x and a gain of 8. Draw your line. Go ahead and term combine. You should have gotten 10x plus 8. Now, let's look at one more together on this page. Let's take a look at number 7. 19x plus 5 minus 10x plus 8. We know we have to KCC this subtraction problem. We need to rewrite it as 19x plus 5. And now subtraction becomes addition, and we flip each term to its opposite, a loss of 10x and a loss of 8. Now that we've written it as an addition problem, we can get ready to stack. Off to the side in the work area, stack 19x plus 5, and underneath, a loss of 10x minus 8. In a moment, you'll complete this problem as well as all the other problems on the page that remain. Remember, for each of these, you need to keep, change, change, and rewrite each of these as an addition problem. Right now, take a moment, and on the remaining problems, please write KCC. You're going to pause the video, finish this on your own, and check your answers with the answer key at the end of this video. Take a moment and pause the video. Complete the remaining problems on your own. When you're ready, turn the video back on. Let's check your work. For number 2, give yourself a C if you have 9x minus 2. For number 3, give yourself a C if you have 1x minus 10, or just x minus 10. For number 4, give yourself a C if you have negative 7x minus 14. For number 7, you should have 9x minus 3. And lastly, for number 8, you should have negative 2x minus 16. This concludes page 14.